Hi there, I am here. I am always here to help you learn the English language. If you want to be fluent and confident in the English language speaking, you must watch my videos. It will definitely help you learn the English language. Today, I would like to talk about English structure be plus noun. Here be means hona. So let's understand it from examples. Be a teacher, शिक्षक बने. Be a leader, नेता बने. Be an assistant, सहायक बने. Be महात्मा गांधी, महात्मा गांधी जैसा बने. Do not be Hitler, हिटलर जैसा ना बने, हिटलर ना बने. Contraction form of do not is don't. Don't be a cheater, धोखेबाज ना बने. Don't be a robber, robber मत बने, robber ना बने. These all are the sentences you have to form more and more. On this pattern, right? Now further we can extend the same sentence. We can extend this structure, right? How we can do it? We will add like this: be plus adjective plus noun. This adjective will modify or describe this noun. Adjective is a word that describes noun, right? Let's understand it from examples. Be a good person, अच्छा इंसान बने. Be a successful man, एक सफल आदमी बने. Be an honest businessman, एक honest businessman बने. Don't be an unkind human being, बेरहम इंसान न बने. Human being means इंसान. Don't be an irresponsible boy, irresponsible boy न बने. These all are the sentences on this pattern. Further, we can extend this sentence by adding additional word. We have now here structure be plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. Let's understand it from examples. Be a very good student, बहुत अच्छा विद्यार्थी बने. Don't be a dishonest businessman, बेईमान व्यापारी न बने. These all are the English sentences based on be plus noun. The basic structure is be plus noun. So we can extend by adding adverb, adjective and other words. Right? In the next video, we will talk about the second part of this structure. Right? If you have enjoyed watching this video, please like it. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please hit the bell icon so that you will get notified time to time. It's my request that you should share this video. You should share this video among your friends so that they will also get benefited. There are so many people who are very much eager to learn English language speaking. If you share this video, it will definitely help them. I'm here to help you, support you, guide you. What assistance, what support, what guidance you need, I would give you that. I would definitely give you that. Right? Thank you. Happy learning.